Wonders of loops in Java. Every loop has the following components. One is loop counter. It is a variable that counts the number of times the loop is going to repeat. Initialization. This is the starting value of a loop counter, like where is the beginning. Then there's something called test condition, the criteria that indicates whether the loop should repeat or not. If it is true, the test condition true means the loop repeats. The test condition false means the loop does not repeat. And update. Update is the modification of the loop counter. That means the loop counter should have a change in its value. Otherwise, it will remain forever the same and cause an infinite loop. So, with this we come to the illustration. There are three syntaxes of loop in Java. One is for, one is while, and one is do while. These loops lie under two categories. One is entry controlled loop. In this kind of loop, a verification is done before entering the loop body. That means if the condition is initially false, then the loop does not get executed at all. But if the condition is true, then only the loop repetition begins. This for loop and while loop are entry controlled loop. You can see the diagram. The diagram shows that the first part goes inside. Like here you can see there is a condition testing that is taking place. The arrow direction shows the loop criteria being asked first. If the criteria results in true, then go to the loop body and you see the arrow is telling that go back and ask again. If it is true, then do the work, go back and ask again. If the answer is false, only then come out. And the other kind is exit control loop. In this, the loop first allows the control to enter the body. That means it first does the work and then asks whether repetition should be done or not. If initially the condition is false, then also this kind of loop gets executed at least once. Do while is a kind of loop which is exit controlled. That means, look at the illustration. This diagram says the arrow direction shows that first do the work and then ask, should I repeat? If the answer is yes or true, then go back and repeat. Do the work and then ask, should I repeat? This kind of work is done when the first time it has to be done. At least one time the work has to be done. Okay, now we are going to go in the programming section after this. Okay.